SafePro's Spotlight AI, TRL Level 8. Over 3 years of operational proof and ready to deploy. Today's battlefield is fundamentally different. Adversaries continuously emplace mines, ambush drones, and IEDs across entire areas of operation, layering threats faster than any unit can manually detect. Every echelon is collecting aerial imagery at unprecedented scale. But the analysts required to process it do not exist in sufficient numbers at any level. Drone imagery sits unprocessed while commanders make maneuver decisions without the threat picture they need. Manned and autonomous systems, from frontline assault platforms to rear area logistics vehicles, are at constant risk when they cannot identify minefields, obstacle chains, and ambush threats in their path. We don't make the drones, we make them smarter. Spotlight AI is a patented TRL Level 8 AI-powered hazard detection and terrain mapping platform. Using computer vision, deep learning, and geospatial fusion, it processes high-resolution EO and IR drone imagery to detect, classify, and locate threats invisible to the human eye. The system has now analyzed a real-world dataset of nearly 3 million battlefield images spanning 150-plus threat types. What you are seeing is Spotlight AI processing actual aerial imagery in real time. Our AI scans each image in a fraction of a second, versus up to 3 minutes for human analysis, generating a geo-referenced threat map that pushes directly into ATAC, Maven, and Lattice. Spotlight AI operates across the full deployment spectrum, from AWS Cloud for enterprise planning to our ruggedized node and on-site laptop for organic edge operations in DDIL environments. Georeferencing remains robust under active jamming. Beyond threat detection, Spotlight AI delivers terrain mapping and UGV route planning, sub-centimeter orthomosaics, digital surface models, and real-time on-site capability that feeds live drone video through the AI mid-flight, delivering actionable intelligence to soldiers and autonomous systems before they ever reach the objective. Current approaches fall short in 3 ways. Manual PED is slow and analyst-dependent. Cloud-only platforms fail in DDIL environments and lack battlefield-scale threat datasets. Manual terrain reconnaissance cannot keep pace as forces approach the front line. Autonomous systems without threat detection remain exposed to obstacle targeting and mission failure. Spotlight AI solves all 3, organically, at the edge. Spotlight AI integrates directly with open architectures via exportable KML and GeoJSON files. The result: commanders from core to company receive verified, actionable threat intelligence faster than any manual process, organic to the unit, and available even when the network is not. Spotlight AI reaches every echelon through a flexible, mission-matched business model. At the enterprise level, commanders leverage our cloud SaaS platform, processing imagery through AWS, paying by the mission for exactly what they use. This model is in active commercial use today, supporting humanitarian and agricultural operations across Ukraine. At the tactical edge, brigade, battalion, and company, units deploy our node, ruggedized edge hardware with embedded software license, fully organic in denied and degraded communication environments. One solution: multiple deployment models, proven commercial and government customers, scalable from the enterprise to the front line.